Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming core details. Account number, CIF, and that your Aadhaar is updated with the bank. This matters because Aadhaar can authenticate your mobile link. Once done, open the Yono app or internet banking and choose Update Mobile. Make sure you have the Aadhaar-linked mobile to receive OTP. If you prefer offline, plan a branch or ATM visit now. This first step removes basic blockers and gets you into the proper flow straight away. You will now perform the detailed verification. Log into Yono or net banking and navigate to Profile or Service Requests, then select Update Mobile, enter the new number, and trigger the OTP flow. The system may verify via Aadhaar OTP or bank OTP. This is why your Aadhaar-linked mobile matters. Enter the OTP exactly and submit. Once accepted, the bank updates records and sends a confirmation SMS. Make sure to refresh your profile and note the CIF-linked mobile shown on screen. You finish by validating the change. Check the confirmation SMS and test logging into net banking or UPI to ensure the new number works for OTPs. If the change doesn't reflect, go to the branch with your ID, Aadhaar, and a signed mobile update form. The staff can link it manually. If you face OTP failures, clear app cache, confirm network, and retry. When problems persist, use ATM or branch to avoid repeated online attempts and secure your account promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.